Hey, what's up guys, y bienvenidos a mi canal. Today I have special unboxing, and this time it is not from Macy's. This one is from the actual Coach store, and if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. And since this is directly from Coach, I get a Coach box. And I'm noticing they did not give me their black gift box that comes with all Coach handbags. I know when I purchased my Swagger bag, it did come with a black box. Where's my black box? I want it. Okay, from what I can tell, this is not good. Why is it in a dust bag and not packaged with the plastic that I usually use? Let's hope it's not a return bag. Now I did pick this up while they have their 30% off sale for Mother's Day. Let's see. And this is the Campus Backpack in Signature Canvas with Whipstitch. Long name. And it's only an online exclusive from Coach. Here's the tag, and this one retails for $450 USD. I picked mine up for 30% off. Don't know where my receipt is. Okay, I found the receipt. It's in the box. It comes in the Coach envelope. And I paid a total of $342.56. With 30% off, it came out at $315. And as soon as I saw this go on sale, I knew I had to snatch it up, because usually it's not included under sales. So I know I just had to go for it, and I'm glad I did. Not really liking how they package the straps inside the backpack. Now you have coated canvas with leather on the sides, some very smooth leather with rivets on the top of the backpack and on the back of the backpack. There you have your side pocket here, zippered pocket on the front, and another side pocket. The only thing I did not like about this is this little random whip tassel, whatever you would call this right here. And one detail you cannot notice on the web is it has also little rivets on this tassel or pull string. And it also has it as well on another little random whip that they decided to put on the handle. And take off. Now, one nice thing I can appreciate about this backpack is you can lock your zipper right here, the pull tab, so nobody can really get into it unless they unlock it. Has some nice zipper, and don't know if you can see it, probably not, but it has Coach engraved right here on the side of this. Right there. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but right there it says Coach. So it has a pretty decent sized pocket. I really wish I didn't have this little random string. It probably can't come off though. Oh yeah, look, you can pull it out. Not about to do that right now, but it does come off in case you want to take it off, which I probably will. And same thing with this one. Easily pull it out. Now the bottom of the bag, it has no feet at the bottom. Here's the side of the bag. It has a very nice handle. Here, let me see if I turn off the light. The side of the top of the handle has the leather weaved into it as well. And this is where they have attached this. I don't even know what you would call this. And the back, that's why it gets me mad that they packaged the straps like that. Cause look at that. They're all bended now. Let's take a look here. Let's see what they've done. Look at that. Look at that. Damn it. I mean, hopefully it'll smooth itself out once I have it laying out. Not bended like that. I really do like how this looks. This buckle and then the straps on it. It looks nice. And as usual, has Coach stamped on the tag. I'll say this leather feels really, really structured. Kind of hard. It's not that bendy, if you know what I'm saying, or that supple. Like, it's really structured. I can tell, like, it feels really stiff. Inside here, one zippered pocket here. And on the other side, two zippered pockets, one here and here. And on this other side where the zipper pocket is, you have your creed. So that's right there. I mean, it's a really spacious backpack. So I'm sure a lot will fit. And I mean, as far as the leather, that's probably my only main concern, that it will scratch easily. But like everything, if you don't take care of it, it will get scratches. I mean, there's already a scratch right there and a wrinkle on the leather. So just gotta be careful. So one thing I want to point out is the inside lining of the pocket is also that coated canvas. Now inside this pocket has the iPhone 8 Plus. That will fit perfectly in here. I also have my Louis Vuitton 6Q holder. That fits also in there, and you have a lot more room for stuff. Now inside here on the slip pockets, I want to see if the phone fits. It only fits on this side of on one of the sides of the slip pockets, not on this side. And of course it'll fit on the zippered pocket right there. I want to show you a quick size comparison between that one and my MCM backpack. What is in here that's so heavy? Yeah, these thick pressures. Okay. Now if I compare the two, I could tell that the Coach one is a little bit more wider But as far as the sides go, the MCM is wider. So the Coach one is taller and wider in length. And this one is wider in the width. I will also have linked down the MCM backpack or the measurements of it, so you guys can kind of see right there. Side by side. So far, I'm really liking the backpack. Just by first impressions, it looks really nice. I love the black on brown with the CCs. I used to hate this signature look, but for some reason it has grown on me. I am enjoying it now. And I was going between this one or their Campus 23 backpack, which is brown. This is brown and it doesn't have none of this. It's just the simple one, and that one retails for $2.95. And that one's a little bit smaller. I did see that other one in person. It's a lot smaller than this one. So yeah, I think this is a keeper for me. I really do like it. I really do like it. So I just want to show you now that there's better lighting and it's the next day because I couldn't wait to unbox this yesterday. And since it's been foggy and been raining today, so there hasn't been much sun, so the lighting's been horrible. But now you could appreciate the beauty with it. Now you can appreciate the beauty and the color of it. Now you can appreciate the beauty and the color of it. And see some of the details I wasn't able to capture yesterday. Here is Coach on that. Here's some rivets on this little tassel. And if you could tell, if you ever decide to purchase a bag from someone else, you could see that it has Coach right here, right there, and all over the canvas. So it's randomly all over the canvas, so look out for that. And yesterday I was trying to show you has Coach engraved on there. So yeah, I will have a what fits in the bag and modeling shots of me wearing the bag on a future video, so stay tuned for that and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when that uploads. And unfortunately though, this wrinkle did not come out completely, at least not yet. It's the second day of me having this and that has not come out. It's fine on this side, but not so much on this side. But I did get to use it yesterday and so far I like it. I love it. So yeah. We'll see how this wears though, because like I said, this is gonna be easily scratched if I'm not careful enough with it. And the handle, I love the handle. It's nice and sturdy. I will be recording modeling shots and what fits in the bag, so stay tuned for that video. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. Don't be greedy with the likes. Subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.